Hey, Crazy Will here today, and today we're going to do another Crazy Will quick tip. Alright, so I'm out front, it's friggin' freezing here. I wanted to show you what I did for my Christmas lights to make them smart. Alright, so what you see, what I got here, is I got a box. It's a regular, almost Tupperware regular box. I'm actually cleaning all this up. We're going to be taking it down for Christmas because Christmas is over. Basically what I got here is just a light that shoots to my house and shows that decorative collage of lights, if you will. And then I have this. And in this box, I'm going to show you, it's sealed. And I had it out here all Christmas. So it's attached to the light that shoots the laser light show, if you will. And in this box, if you open it up, is the plug to the device. We'll disconnect that. And a new type of smart plug that I'm trying out. And as you can see, it's doing perfectly well. So I hooked the smart plug up to it, and I hooked it to the house. So now you might be wondering, Will, why wouldn't you just turn on and off the lights? Well, I actually have, if you looked at my other videos, I actually have Kuna. So I can't turn off the light switch and turn off my lights. So I had to make them smart. So all I did was make a conveniently waterproof container. All I did was did a nice slit down the side, drilled a bit hole there, so that way it's kind of watertight around the plugs. So that's one plug. And as you can see, slit a cut there, made the diameter exactly the same size as the plug, and nothing gets wet. And if you're really worried about it, you can put a bead of silicone in there and actually put this whole thing up if you want for next year. So that's the quick tip to make an indoor plug an outdoor plug. So we can set it up for your Christmas lights, your deck lighting, anything that you want to do in that aspect. This is at your own risk, guys. So, you know, it's not saying that these won't get destroyed. And I do recommend, if you're really going to keep it a permanent place, to seal it with silicone around the edges of the plug. Like I said, this worked for me, may not work for you. You're doing it at your own risk. Thanks for your time, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe below if this helped you. And remember, you can do anything that you put your mind to. Later, guys. You thought I was a picture, didn't you? Make sure you like and subscribe. Do me a favor already.